Good morning, Trip NT. Jesse here with a quick improvement. So the issue is organization really over here at the 45. So as a CNC operator, you mainly do all of your work right here. So you're loading up programs, you got your air nozzle, you're loading up the machine. So there's a lot of wasted motion walking around, actually this rack, which is waste, to your computer. So a lot of wasted motion on top of, you can't even really get to all the materials that you need because of this rack is here right in the way. So I'm gonna be right back to fix all these issues. All right, Trip and T, so we're back here. So he's got all of his work area right where he needs it in a nice flow manner. So we've definitely eliminated that motion. And a bonus is we also cleaned up all this so you can actually get to the cleaning materials. We did a little bit of cord management, so no more cords dangling all over the ground and everything. So improve today for a better tomorrow.